Locus.
So we are Smarter, and this is our team.
Our group Awake, Didem, me, Ezgi, and Utku.
Hello everyone. As the group Paper Tigers, we have been working on cargo transportation.
Are they happy?
But how about that noise? How about that traffic? What happens?
Involved in this interactive.
What was the core research focus?
It's a big problem. There is an interesting point that wants to be reached, I think attracts attention, and especially if those brochures are already being produced.
Conclude this beautiful event, and thank you all for your beautiful presentations and contributions.
Thanks a lot to all our mentors, all our friends, all the students. We're a big family, and our family is getting bigger and bigger. Every year we have new members, and please carry all these cultures that we are trying to share with you. Have a good and healthy days, and hoping to meet you and really hug you. Not this time, but I'm hugging you.